Alright, heading up to the Legion. Go do a pre-registration. Do it now. And Christy's gonna attempt a wheelie on the 650. And she did it. So we got Homer and Trenton here. Got Mike, Jigs, and Jesse. Of course, this is their little campsite here. Got Mike, Sherry, myself, and who else? Anyways, so we got Timmy and his girlfriend. Timmy's taking his girlfriend's. Sorry, I can't think of her name right now. Terrible with names. But got her 650 because his 1000 is having a little issue. Happens. Mine doesn't want to do wheelies. I got that one on video.
Well, that's good.
Don't hurt yourself, Jesus Christ. Hey, that's cute.
Thanks.
Oh, baby. I bet you can do a wheelie on here. It's a heavy bitch.
You gotta do low to get them up. I gotta be in low to get it up.
Support the drinking habits that they got going on. A little early registration for the run going on tomorrow. A little chilly out. I don't want to get wet. Definitely wearing the waders tomorrow. Fuck this shit. My mittens on, it's fucking cold. Bumpy as a motherfucker. That field's gonna be awfully dusty tomorrow if we don't get rain tonight. dusty. I feel kind of guilty being up front right now. The only shitty part when it's dusty out and you're in the lead, obviously you're not getting any dust and everybody behind you gets all the shit. And it sucks being that person behind. Try not to create a lot of dust. I'm just trying to take it easy. Cruising along at 23, so seems like 23 is keeping it pretty mild. Holy fuck!
I know, I got dust all over.
You look like you've been working in the coal mines. Oh, you're bad too.
Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, you got one.
Yeah. Wow. It's a whole new look.
I don't even got my glasses on for that. He's not out there.
Oh. No man left behind, those are the rules. Even if they're Canadian.
I forgot something since last ride.
No man left behind, even if you're Canadian. Had to make sure. 87? You cheap bastard, you gotta put 91 in it. Holy Jesus. No, you're gonna break down. It's only a Can-Am. Alright, good morning. Welcome to the shit show. Everybody's up and awake. I slept in my truck because I smoked myself out because I burnt my fucking pot cooking food because I was hungry. And that's just what happens. So we're all going to be heading to the Legion, get our first stamp. I think that's where we're going anyway. Hopefully. I'm going to go to Stewart's quick. Let's go find Jordan at the railroad trestle. Try to catch up with everybody else. Jordan should be coming. Some other people out. Jordan should be coming. Jordan, where are you? Looks like somebody's standing down there, but it's probably a tree. Come on, little buddy. Sucks forgetting that your phone's not on the charger and dead and you need it. So BC is looking awfully fine today. Sometimes I just want to walk up to her like a beautiful woman, ask her name, maybe get her number, ask her if she wants to go to dinner. Hey Dan, Ken, by the way, just want to say again, oops, my wax didn't get polished, and let me pop that in there. So you got the front bumper rad kit combination. That was done for me by Dan Kent down at Planto Fabrication. I know I've talked about it a little bit, but try to get it out there a little bit more for him. Mine was the first one that he did for Flair Sportsman. He's since done one for a Scrambler, which he did for Homer. He did the one for Rich Alts from Alton Outdoor. He did his Renegade 1000 rad kit bumper combination. That's actually what turned me on to getting mine done, was seeing Rich's done. And I mean, mine's a little bit different than Rich's, but same concept. One solid piece to hold it all in place and minimal shaking, and just a much better setup than what I had before. Only shitty part is I got some holes from the previous one. I need to polish this up a little bit because the old kit was sitting on top of that, and of course rubbing and water build up does happen. plastic glove. Flying. Get it, boo.
Up the store.
Alright.
But yeah, don't go in there. Cops are right there.
Where?
There's a shit ton of cop cars sitting right over there. Fucking sucks.